thoughts are with the family of the late Private Seán Rooney yesterday in Lebanon. We know that a number of people were convicted of his murder. The main culprit was at large, and that's very, very regrettable. And the delay that it has taken to have justice has been far too long. I must say that some of the sentences are unduly lenient as well in respect of others. Peacekeeping is a very noble cause, and Private Seán Rooney gave his life in the cause of peacekeeping and to protect others. And I've said repeatedly to the Lebanese authorities that the nobility of the role of the peacekeeper must always be reflected in terms of bringing those who were responsible for this murder to justice.